just want to be in the scene.
Got that part.
Are you ready?
Yeah, it's recording.
I was flushing the toilet, and this handle over here, see video over here.
Oh.
I pressed it, and it flipped, and landed in the toilet, but
The handle?
it's clean water. It's clean water now.
So, where is
But the
it?
handle
Oh
is
my God!
at the bottom of the toilet, and since I did it, I have to grab it.
Let's watch her grab it.
And I hope I don't throw up.
Jenny! Jenny! Gonna wash it off.
Water's really cold.
Oh my gosh. Good work, Jenny.
Thank you.
Wash that off too.
It's really cold.
What do you think? Up our water before they put it in there? Have you been to Hyper? It's like a sun on your butt when you put it in the bathroom.
Okay, well, that's all the video.
That's how coming is that? What I'm saying is like when you sit down. You guys have never sit down in public bathrooms? No, I don't. Yes, I do. But anyways, what I was saying not to. What I was saying is squat. What were you saying? That when you squat down, the water is like really warm and it like.
I don't know how we're gonna flush our toilet.
Oh no. Did you? Oh, Jenny, you better dang fix it. Does it screw on? Does it screw on? We have a problem. I'm all hyper. Thanks, guys.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. Good.
I think it's broken.
Oh no. Oh, son of a nutcracker.
Maybe see it.
Did you feel the eyes? I did. I felt it.
Well, Libby will be joining
Like the eyes of Mordor.
downstairs.
I am not going downstairs to be at 6 in the morning tomorrow. I don't understand. Hold on. You better. Do you need a bobby pin? Can you just a screwdriver? Duct tape? Anything? Wait, does it flush it off? Or is it?
No. Maybe if we can take this off, we can.
Do you like my nail polish? It's
there.
beautiful. Oh yeah.
Here,
it's pages.
Don't drop the camera in the tank.
I don't know where it's supposed to go. So let's see if maybe if we like duct taped it or something.
Well, even if it doesn't.
Duct tape solves all problems.
Like, should it?
It does.
Like, by doing
really
that, should
does.
it be flushing? Since I never use this bathroom.
Oh no.
Ew, I just pushed this like up to my face. Wait, how did it break off? Show me it.
I just pressed it and it swung in the toilet.
Oh, yeah. It broke.
It's legit broke.
Oh no. Ronald! We can't go potty! They can't wait. We don't know what to do.
We're gonna have to drive to the gas station.
Oh, no, we are not. I will go outside.
Oh, I keep doing that.
Oh.
If you just turn it far enough, it flushes.
Really? Awesome. Can we like take a fork to it or something?
Solved! That's all you gotta do. Do you want me to try again?
Just wait a little bit. Yeah, give it like 10 seconds.
Okay.
Freak out and
You
overflush.
just really gotta turn it.
Okay. Good to know.
We got some IV coming.
On the toilet. This is the best video ever. I hope we make YouTube.
This is I said, oh, do not.
In the restroom. Do you guys not?
I squat.
Ever?
I usually squat.
It stretches me out.
Unless if my
Do
quads
you?
are really sore. It's like go down so far as drop.
Okay. Doing that.
Have you ever been to places where they have toilet covers, like at the airport?
Yeah.
It's like, you get in there, it's like, and then
Oh,
the
yeah.
toilet thing comes out.
I don't understand really why that works, because it's just a sheet of plastic. Oh, the whole thing moves.
Yeah.
I understand now. Okay,
Signing off.
Oh.
Try to flush again.
Do it again. Try it again. Wait, hold on. Did you know every time we flush the toilet, it costs money?
Like that, I can't
Yes.
rotate it.
Dang it.
The whole video's inside.
Okay, flush. that way? Are you sure? I think it's the other way. No.
I don't know how I did it last time. Shoot.
Oh,
there we go. You just really got to try a lot.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there we go. Oh god.
Well, this is wow, fun. This is gonna be awesome. We need to go around tomorrow. I'll do it.
Okay, good. Not my turn.
You're gonna do it?
Sure. Okay. I've never done it before.
I mean, I'm the one that broke it.
Okay, you're doing it.
Like, you can call him. You never called him.
You know what? Like, I always call him, and he never calls me back, and then he calls you guys.
Yeah, he doesn't like it. I've been talking to him.
Or like we call him and then he calls you.
Yeah.
Or like you call him and he calls